Hi there. Can you see picture? Great. Can you hear picture? Excellent. Welcome to Lingustar. My name is Teacher Zoe. My name is Teacher Zoe. What is your name? Oh, Ariel, what a lovely name. Nice to meet you, Ariel. How are you today, Ariel? Oh, you're happy. Teacher is also happy. Ariel, are you ready? Very good. Now, Ariel, we are going to learn about birds. Can all birds fly? Okay, I repeat. Can all birds fly? Oh, what's a nice guess, Ariel. Keep that in mind as we will start our lesson. Let's walk, walk, Ariel, to the next page. Oh, look, Ariel. What do you see in the picture? Oh, you see animals. Very good. Now, Ariel, what animals do you like in the picture? Can you name one for me? Oh, you like cats. Say, I like cats. That's good. One more, Ariel. Say, I like cats. Very good. Because of that, I will give you a star. Yay! Now, Ariel, let's identify the rest of the animals in the picture. Ready? Okay. Now, Ariel, can you tell me what animal is this? Oh, a monkey. Very good. What about this one, Ariel? This one here. What animal is this? Oh, you don't know what animal is that? Well, that animal is called a tiger. Roar. Tiger. Let's say tiger. Okay, it's your turn, Ariel. Say tiger. Great job. Give me a high five. Very good. Next, let's identify this animal. What about this animal, Ariel? Can you tell me what animal is that? Oh, giraffe. Very good. What about this one? This guy, big guy over here. Oh, an elephant. Very good. Next, Ariel. What about this one? What do you call that? animal? Yes, dog. It's a dog. Very good. What about this one? Sitting on a branch. What animal is this, Ariel? Oh, bird. You see a bird. Wow, very good. Because of that, I will give you a cupcake. Yay! Congrats, Ariel. Now, Ariel, let's jump, jump, jump to the next page. Oh, look, Ariel. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Oh, a bird. Very good. Now, Ariel, what bird is it? Yes, that's great. It's a magpie. Say a magpie. Very good. One more, Ariel. Let's say a magpie. Great job, Ariel. Now, let's jump, jump, jump to the next page. Oh, Ariel, look at this beautiful picture. What can you see? Ariel, what can you see in the picture? Oh, a bird. Great job. This is a magpie. Okay, repeat after teacher. Okay, say this is a magpie. Very good. Now, Ariel, let's fly, fly, fly to the next page. Oh, how many birds can you see in the picture, Ariel? Yeah, there are two birds. Say, there are two birds. Very good, Ariel. Now, there are two magpies. What bird is that, Ariel? It's magpies. Say, two magpies. Say, two magpies. Great job! Because of that, I will give you another star. Yay! Now, Ariel, let's walk, 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 walk to the next page. Okay, look, Ariel, look, what is in the picture? Yes, birds. Now, let's count how many birds are there sitting on the branch. Okay, let's count. One, two, three, four. There are four birds in the picture. Say four birds. It's your turn, Ariel. Say four birds. Very good. Now let's read the sentence. Magpies. Say magpies. Very good. Magpies are birds. Very good. One more, Ariel. Let's say magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Excellent. Good job, Ariel. Now, let's hop, hop, hop to the next page. Oh, Ariel, again, look in the picture. What can you see? Yes, there are a lot of birds in the picture. Very good. Now, Ariel, you need to click and say magpies. Okay? You need to circle where are the magpies. Okay? Good job. Now, I want you to click or circle the magpies. Okay? Okay. Oh, you found one. Very good, Ariel. Yes, another one. Very good. Keep going. Yes, you already have three magpies. Hmm. How about on the trees? Can you see a magpie there, Ariel? Yes. Please circle them. Yeah, very good. Yes, very good, Ariel. You found all of them. Congratulations. Because of that, I will give you a star. Yay! Awesome, Ariel. Awesome. Oh, Ariel, we're running out of time. We will continue our lesson next time around. But today, congratulations. You did a nice work. Congratulations, Ariel. Thank you for your time and bye for now.